Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to choose KuCoin as your exchange in Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know how to do that, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat in your Telegram. And after opening the Hamster Kombat, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. And one of them is this gear icon. Simply tap to the gear icon into the top right side, and from there you will get to see this choose exchange option directly. Simply tap to choose exchange and you just simply have to select this KuCoin just by clicking it. And after doing that very easy step, your KuCoin will successfully be chosen as exchange in your Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.